A friend loves you all the time. Proverbs 17:17. A friend loves you all the time. Proverbs 17:17.
No matter how dark, night or day, God's love helps me not to be afraid. No matter how high a mountain I see, God's love is bigger and it makes me wanna sing. I know no matter what, God loves me. 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 And now my hands are clapping, and now my feet are dancing. No matter what, I'm loved because God loves me. No matter the tears I may cry, God's love is still here and I'll be alright. And when it's hard to say goodbye and I just don't wanna do it, God's love is what I got and He will help me through it. I know no matter what, God loves me. 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 And now my hands are clapping, and now my feet are dancing. No matter what, I'm loved because God loves me. And jump up and get down, and jump up and get down, and dance around, dancing all around. And jump up and get down, and jump up and get down, and dance around, dancing all around. Yeah. Woo! No matter what, God loves me and God loves you. Sing! I know no matter what, God loves me. 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 And now my hands are clapping, and now my feet are dancing. No matter what, I'm loved because God loves me. And now my hands are clapping, and now my feet are dancing. No matter what, I'm loved because God loves me.
Who know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Oh, hi friends! I'm Jayla, and this is my very own weather chart. Have you ever seen a weather chart before? We have one at my school, so I thought we could have one in the clubhouse too. Do you see how I can turn the arrow to point to the different kinds of weather? If it's snowing, I move the arrow to the picture of snow. Like this. I love playing in the snow. If it's raining, I move the arrow to the picture of rain. If it's cloudy, I move the arrow to the picture of the clouds. And when it's windy, I move the arrow to the picture of wind. Windy days are perfect for flying a kite. The weather can be different every day, and I can show it all on my weather chart.
Who?
It's Ollie!
Hello, Jayla. Hoo, hoo. Playing with pictures of weather, are you?
Oh, hi, Ollie. This is my weather chart. I point to a different picture each time the weather changes.
Weather changes. Yes, it's true. But no matter the weather, Jesus is a friend to you. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Hola, friends. I'm Luis the Handyman. I am so happy to see you today. How happy am I? I'm happy like when you have waffles for breakfast and you want to do a happy dance. I'm happy like when you have a friend that's always a good friend. And I have a friend like that. He's a good friend when I feel excited. He's a good friend when I feel sad. He's a good friend when I feel afraid. Do you know which friend I am talking about? Yes, Jesus. That's right. And I want to tell you another true story from the Bible about how Jesus is always a good friend. Do you want to help me build it? Great. Hammers up, little builders. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, hammer. Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Our true story from the Bible begins with a man named Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus was a tax collector. That means his job was to take money from people. The problem was that Zacchaeus took money that wasn't his. Was that a good thing for Zacchaeus to do? Oh, no, that was not good. One day, everyone heard that Jesus was coming to their town. Ooh, the people were so happy. Zacchaeus was happy too. Ooh, let me see your happy face. Great. Oh, look, here comes Jesus. When the people saw Jesus, they all crowded around him so they could see him. But Zacchaeus couldn't see Jesus over the crowd. Well, how was Zacchaeus going to see Jesus? If only there was something Zacchaeus could climb. Something big? Like a really big tree. Do you think Zacchaeus can climb a tree to see Jesus? Yes! Let's all pretend to climb with Zacchaeus. Ready? Climb, climb, climb. Yay! Zacchaeus did it! He's in the tree. Now Zacchaeus can see Jesus. Oh, wait, look. What is Jesus doing? Jesus is coming to the tree. When Jesus got to the tree, Jesus looked up at Zacchaeus and said, Zacchaeus, come down. Can you say that with me? Zacchaeus, come down. Then Jesus said, I'm going to your house. Say that with me. I'm going to your house. Zacchaeus quickly came down the tree because he was so happy to be with Jesus. Let's climb down really fast. Climb, 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 climb. And stop. Way to go. When Zacchaeus came down, Jesus said he wanted to go to Zacchaeus' house. Jesus talked with Zacchaeus and went to his home. Jesus was such a good friend to him that Zacchaeus wanted to love people the way Jesus loved him. So guess what Zacchaeus did? Zacchaeus gave back all the money he had taken from the people. Everybody clap for Zacchaeus. Yay! Jesus was always a good friend to Zacchaeus. And Jesus will always be a good friend to you and me too. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who is always a good friend?
Jesus is always a good friend. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is always a good friend?
Jesus is always a good friend. That's the truth, friends. Adios.
So there's your story, and it's all true. No matter how you feel, Jesus is always a good friend to you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo! Hoo!
Wow, Zacchaeus was so happy Jesus was his friend. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. No matter what picture our weather chart points to, rain or shine, Jesus is always a good friend of mine. See you next time.